So right here we have our stick coil. This is actually the stick coil for the Yamaha. It wasn't intentional that we made it blue. But this is a stick coil for the Yamaha. Every motorcycle's coil is a little bit different based on where they mount, how much room is underneath the bike, the size of the borehole, the spark plug borehole. But this is the Yamaha's coil. It goes right on top of the spark plug coil on plug, if you will. This is our O2 sensor, lambda sensor. Everybody calls it something different. This is the kit that goes directly in the exhaust. This is what gives the feedback to the ECU on what your air-fuel ratios are. And if you're using closed-loop tuning, this is essential. You have to have this.
Okay.
This is just a communications cable to plug in from your laptop to the ECU.
Yep.
This is your on-off switch. We use this rocker switch because we need to be able to power up the ECU to pull the data logs. You don't want to have your motorcycle sitting there running while you're pulling the data log,
yep,
or you don't want it to shut off, et cetera, et cetera. So we use an on-off switch to power up the ECU, and obviously this is the ECU. Like mentioned before, it's a full potted unit, waterproof, durable as can be. Each ECU has its own serial number, so that we can always track. And if you call back, if you had any issues or you lost your map file or your whatever, we know exactly what went in here from day one, and we could supply you with that information again.
So that's a full replacement for my ECU on the bike right now. We'll take the ECU off and plug this in.
Take your stock ECU off, plug this in, and you got a full standalone ECU in your motorcycle.
Nice. Let's get it installed.